Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Madam Nurul, Huda, Izzati, Binti, Jamil. My name is Amirah binti Annuar, and today my group going to talk about differentiating input and output devices. Introduction. Information and communication technologies is a broad term for information technology, which includes all communication technologies such as the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, computers, software, middleware, video conferencing, social networking, and other media applications and services that allow users to access, retrieve, store, transmit, and manipulate data. In this discussion, we are going to do Courseware Development to gain more knowledge about information and communication technologies. The creation for Courseware involves the development that's suitable for teaching and learning electronic materials. Courseware can be in any form such as online games and websites.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dayang Amalia Binti Abang Abdul Razak from IM222 Class 4D. Next, we move on to the advantages. There are few advantages could be gained from our website. First, it helps to strengthen the memory. Second, by using our website, knowledge are gained in a fun way. Third, it helps in understanding the difference between input and output devices. Fourth, it improves knowledge, retention, and transfer. Last but not least, fun factor in our website makes learner more enthusiastic.
Next is objective. Objective is an important part that we need in build a website. It is to know the reason why the website was being built. For our objective is the first one, to let people know that how to differentiate between input and output, because some people might be confused between input and output. So this is the reason why this objective were made. The second one is expose people on how input and output is used and where it is being placed, because some people exchange the place of input and output. Third one is to make people easily find the information regarding the input and output, as it is easier to understand and inform the main point of the output and input.
A very good morning, I bid to Madam Nurul Huda. My name is Demetrius Wan Emang, and I'm going to continue with our presentation. I'm going to present about our limitation. While making and generating our products, we face setback and limitation that made it difficult for us to finish the product. The limitations that we face are mostly about the application, which is Educandy, that we use to make our products. While creating our products, it will generate a code contained with a set of number and alphabet, which will be used by any participant to take part on answering questions from our product. Instead of generating 5-figure codes, it kept generating 4-figure codes. It made participants unable to participate in answering the question. It was the problem with the application, so we stopped using the application and start using the website. When we use the website, the problem is solved. Another limitation is there's only small variety of template that can be used to make different type of question. Some of the template is not suitable for the type of question that we chose. We changed the type of question that we tried to put into the products according to the system of the template, and then we managed to do our products without any problem anymore.
As you can see behind me, this is the video of tutorial on how our learning website works. All you have to do is key in the code given to you in the description box below on Educandy website. Next, choose which type of game would you like to play, and voila, you are now ready to start the game. Once you are finished with one game, you may just go back to the previous page and select the next game you would like to try, or simply enter another code. For more activities created by my friends.
The game that I choose for this website is Match Up. In this game, the player needs to match the words with its group. For example, keyboard, input. This way, it makes more easy to understand the output and input device.
Anagrams games is where we should figure out what is the full word by using the word given at the bottom. This game is specially created for people who does not know what is input and output even though they have used it in their daily life. This game is the simplest way for people to understand what are the example of input and what are the example of output. This game will help people to understand more and gain more knowledge. This is the correct way on how to play this game.
And 5. Click on play, and then it will bring you to this product, which is a set of questions of output and input devices under computer by myself. And this is the question or quizzes that already been prepared. Click on play. It is a set of 10 questions. They will be given 30 seconds for you to answer each question, and score will be given based on how fast you answer the question. For example, it's a simple question. Which one is input device? So the input device is of course light pen. This is the time given, your score, and your personal time that you use to answer the question. Which statement describe input device? If you answer correctly, you'll get a point. If you answer wrong, it will not give you any point, and you can continue, and you need to be fast. Very wrong again. So I'm going to answer this question first. So that's all the question been given. It will say that which is your best time and your score here. One of the objective to do it is try to be faster and the first one to answer the question, and try to fill up this bucket here. And if you want to try again, you can try it again. And that's all for this product that I've created.
In conclusion, there are a lot of applications that can be used in this era of digitalization. There is also application that can be used for educational purposes that can help with our studies and research. However, we need to choose a good and informative application because of selecting poor application, it would not help people to develop skills and knowledge. This will lead people feel boring and hard to understand information that needed. Our application can prove that people can learn with a fun way by differentiating the input and output devices. Some people sometimes get confused with the input and output devices, but our application shows the simplest and fun way to understand the difference between the input and output devices. We make the application look attractive so that we can reach many audiences from different groups of age. This is our references. Thank you for listening.